Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and even create. That's the world we're living in today, thanks to artificial intelligence. But what does it really mean for a machine to think? Let's dive into the fascinating inner workings of the machine mind. At its core, AI operates on algorithms, complex sets of rules and calculations that guide its decision-making. Think of these algorithms as the brain's wiring, connecting various neurons to process information. When you input data, the AI analyzes it, identifies patterns, and makes predictions based on what it has learned. This process is similar to how we humans learn from experience, but with a few key differences. One of the most intriguing aspects of AI is its ability to learn through a method called machine learning. This is where the magic happens. Instead of being programmed with specific instructions for every task, AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data. For example, if you want an AI to recognize images of cats, you feed it thousands of cat pictures. Over time, it learns to identify the common features that make a cat, like pointy ears, whiskers, and a twitching tail. This is called supervised learning, where the AI is guided by labeled data. But what about when there's no labeled data? That's where unsupervised learning comes into play. Here, the AI explores the data on its own, looking for hidden patterns and structures. It's like giving a child a box of Lego bricks and letting them build whatever they can imagine, without any instructions. This ability to discover relationships within data opens up a world of possibilities, from clustering similar items to generating new ideas. Now, let's talk about deep learning, a subset of machine learning that mimics the human brain's neural networks. Deep learning uses layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, to process information. Each layer extracts different features, allowing the AI to understand complex concepts. For instance, in speech recognition, one layer might focus on phonetics, while another identifies words and phrases. This hierarchical approach enables AI to tackle intricate tasks, like translating languages or generating human-like text. However, it's important to remember that AI doesn't think like we do. It lacks emotions, consciousness, and true understanding. When an AI generates a piece of art or writes a poem, it's not expressing feelings or creativity. It's simply combining patterns it has learned from existing works. This raises interesting questions about originality and authorship in the age of AI. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, we must also consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? How do we protect privacy in a world where data is the lifeblood of machine learning? These are critical questions that researchers and policymakers are grappling with as we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape. In conclusion, the machine mind is a complex tapestry of algorithms, data, and learning processes. It's a powerful tool that can enhance our lives in countless ways, but it also requires careful stewardship. Understanding how AI thinks not only demystifies the technology, but also empowers us to harness its potential responsibly. The journey into the machine mind is just beginning, and the possibilities are as vast as our imagination.